y'all, welcome to my channel. You know what to do. If you're not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're not already. Today I'm excited today, y'all. I just got to get my hair done. Shout out to Flawless Concepts. She always get me right. Did my lash fill, and guess what else I'm excited about I got today? Boxycharm. Y'all know I'm always excited to get my boxes. Just can't wait to see what's inside. It's just be waiting for it. Okay, so let's get right into it. Let's open it. I double taped this thing today. Gosh, I can't get it. There you go. Okay, I'm not gonna look in it. I usually look in it then just tell you guys, but I'm not gonna look in it so I can be surprised with you guys. So let me turn it around. Let me see if I can find the paper. I think this is the paper. Yep. So it just says Boxycharm. Oh, this is something else. Oh, this is talking about the premium Boxycharm. What is the theme in this one? It don't say a theme. So on the inside of it is the theme of it. So this is the Boxy After Dark. So, okay. Well, let's see what's first. Sassy Siennas, dose of colors. Ooh, I got a dose of colors palette. Okay, and this is the bag. Show you the colors and everything. You know I gotta swatch it. You know it. So the dose of colors eyeshadow palette, it retails for $32. Okay. Look, my fingerprints on it already, but it's a pretty rose gold packaging. And it have the Sassy Siennas and dose of colors. And it have the colors on the back. Oh, it's talc free, paraben free, cruelty free. That's a plus. Pretty colors. So the colors are matte. They're matte colors. And let's swatch them. So this is Oh So Sassy. That is really pretty. And this is Bossy. Just wiping it off with a dry towel, so hopefully I'm getting all of it off. Foxy. Foxy's right here. Sorry guys. It's Foxy. So this is Brassy. And the last one I'm swatching is Stay Sassy. This is this deep brown right here. So that's Stay Sassy. I'm gonna give me some good neutral looks out of this. Okay. Excited. I always love them palettes. That's exciting. Okay, what else is in the box? What is this? Oh, Hank and Henry. It's Hank and Henry Duo Mascara. Let's open it. So I will be trying these in my videos. Let's see. Okay. This side mascara. This is the brush. Okay. Switch and do the other side. Ugh, if I can open it. My hand's slippery. Okay. The other side. Oh, look at that. That's the like really skinny mascara one. That's for your bottom lashes. It's for your top too, but gets those bottom lashes really good. Really good, guys. Cannot wait to try this. So the Hank and Henry Slick With It Mascara Duo retails for $19. $19. All right, let's see what's next. What's next? What is this? Hollywood and Vine Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl Eyeliner. This is an eyeliner, a Kohl eyeliner. Okay, I'm gonna swatch the liner on my hand. I just want to see how smooth it goes on. Oh, it's really smooth. Awesome, awesome. And this is the liner that you can sharpen. Pretty cool. And this is in black, 101 black. I got it backwards. So yeah, it goes on really smooth and it's really deep black. Okay, so the Hollywood and Vine Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl Liner retails for $7. What is the next item? Oh, yay! So I got the iconic London Prep Set Glow. So the Iconic London Prep Set Glow retails for $29. I want to spray this just to see. I'm gonna shake it up. Oh, it is so pretty. Look at that. Spray it on my face just to see how I feel and everything. Ooh, it smells good. It feels good. Awesome, awesome. Ooh, y'all see that nice glow it gave my face? So that'll be really pretty to set your makeup with. And prep. Nice. I love it. So I already said it retails for $29, did I? If I didn't, it retails for $29. Okay. Do I have anything else? Yeah, I do. Mellow Tinted Brow Gel. Cool. Oh. This is the Mellow Tinted Brow Gel. And that retails for $16. Let's open it. I don't have anything on my brow, so I'm gonna put it on there. What color is this? This is dark brown. Yep, it's dark brown. Okay, let's see. Nice. Y'all see that? Give my brows a nice tint. And on the other side. awesome items, of course. Boxycharm, always hook your girl up. This one, I'm always so excited to get my box, y'all, because it's exciting, you know. Get some good products for a good price, only $21 a month. And these retails for, well, I told you what each item retail for, but altogether it's like $100-something, and you only get it for $21 a month. So these are all the items. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to try them out. Excited. But yeah, thank you guys for joining me and watching me unbox my box. I'm always excited to unbox my box. So yeah, if you guys are interested, if you're not already signed up with Boxycharm, if you're interested, I'm gonna make sure I put my link below and click on that link and sign up, because you will not be disappointed. So be blessed, guys.